Okay, hey guys, I'm doing chapter 3's exercise 9 today. It's the, I don't know how to explain it. It's the kind of like the triangle thing on top of the rectangle with the hole in it. I have class soon, but hopefully I can knock this out real quick. So, exercise 9, chap 3, demo. The reason I add demo to it is just because I already have one named that. Not that you need to know that anyway. Alright, so there's a few different ways to do this. It's kind of like I always say that. This particular case, I like to do it all one go. I think it's easier that way. For this one, I will make it symmetric, otherwise it'll just look stupid. So let's just. There's a few different ways to do it, as I said before. I'm gonna do it this way because I like doing it this way. Which is basically using tangent lines. What happens is, see, I can put this anywhere on the circle. When that T shows up, that means tangent. You want to use that one. Otherwise, it's not going to look nice. And these are obviously not equal right now. So to make them equal, I can kind of put them, once again, dimension tool. And that's going to be 90. I'll just put right here. And let's just do 90, I guess. And then 90. And then I think that makes them equal. Yeah, that's equal. All right. That tool I just used, that center line. You can basically make a dimensional line any way you want. It's not that important. I mean, it's useful. In fact, I think I will be using it later in the video. All right, so that's the basic shape. You want to extrude this out. Let's just make it, I think it should be that thick, I think. I want to do the sketch with the circle right here first. And I think this is capturing my screen. Hold on, sorry. Make sure you sketch not here, here. If you sketch here, it'll just make a hole that goes through, like through the middle and then through the bottom. I can show you. No, just don't do there. Do here. You sketch on this plane, and then you're going to do that. And then I'm going to show you reference tool right there. I just do it because it's symmetric. And then center line again. And I like doing it. There's the middle, M. Make it perpendicular. It'll say it like that. Once that's like that, putting the circle here. Let's just say you want to make it like, I think right there is fine. Yeah, so right there. Hit OK. Extrude. Move material. Bam. And that's done. In this particular video, I think he does a chamfer. I know it looks like a round at first, but I think it's a chamfer. I think it's a 15 chamfer. Yeah, looks good enough. Yeah, because it has the segments thing, so like the drawing has. I'm actually not looking at the drawing right now, so if I miss something, go by the drawing, not by me. Okay, and then for here you can do a sketch or a hole. I'm going to do the hole just because the tool's made for that. It's just kind of easy. You want to drag this one to that side, this one to this side, and that'll give you your hole. Let's make them equal. Let's make it 55, and I guess 55. I'm going to move it up a little bit. Actually, I'll make it smaller. Oh, that's the, whoops, wrong one. 50. Let's move this back to 45. Whoop, I just did 455, 45, 45, and I don't know if it looks, maybe it's a little too much. I probably should have the book open right now. I don't, so let's go with 50. It looks fine. Alright, so at this point, you're pretty much done for the majority. I think just at the round, I use 15. Just do all the way around. I think do here. So just kind of want to do all the edges on the outside. I think he does there too. Yeah. And every time I say he, by the way, I'm referring to the professor that did the book. I don't know who it is, but it's on the book. So I think that's it. Let me just look at the book real quick, which I probably should be doing anyway. My bad, not looking at the book. So I think that's all you had to do. It shouldn't be too difficult. You can also do a using a rectangle and a circle. You can figure out and make that kind of like triangular thing on the top. Before we did this thing. But that being said, I think the way I did it is pretty easy. In terms of like learning it, especially because you can see it now. Yeah, he does do a yeah. So this is actually just like the book. This is how it looks. All right. So that's how you do exercise 9, chapter 3.